That's right. Unboxing starts. Woohoo! Hi! Finally, my packages are here. So I have been waiting these packages, these spare parts, about 4 months, and now they are finally here. And only exhaust and cat is missing, but they are arriving today or tomorrow, I don't know. But now unboxing starts. That's right.
You can do it, you can do it, you can move so fast and you feel it. When you hear the wind in your ears, you have known over so many years. You can do it, you can do it, you were born to be do it, so do it. You can do everything that you want, you can do everything that you want. You can do it, you can do it, you can move so fast and you feel it. When you hear the wind in your ears, you've known it for so many years. You can do it, you can do it, you were born to be do it, so do it.
Vacuum elbow. And these. The original ones. As you can see.
You can do it, you can do it, you can move so fast and you feel it. When you hear the wind in your ears, you have known over so many years. You can do it, you can do it, you were born to be do it, so do it. You can do everything that you want, you can do everything that you want. You can do it, you can do it, you can move so fast and you feel it. When you hear the wind in your ears, you've known it for so many years. You can do it, you can do it, you were born to be do it, so do it.
Spare parts. It's August and the spare parts finally arrived. It was last week, and now we'll see the last package, unboxing the big one. So it's here. Sorry about the mess. It's here. It's a huge box. Carpet knife. Mattoveitsi.
You were born to be do it, so do it.
So it's my stainless steel exhaust, muffler and catalytic converter, as known as CAT.
You can do it, you can do it, you were born to be do it, so do it. You can do everything that you want, you can do everything.
I'm so excited. Do not open packing until gasket is ready for installation.
So many years, you can do it, you can do it.
Bye.
Do it, so do it.